Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. How was the quarantine days? Are you being safe at home? Good, dear. So, I congratulate everyone for getting into the next grade and I welcome you all for our video class. Before getting into the session, first be ready with your note and pen and take down the notes which will be help you to recall everything. Okay. So, pause the video and get ready with it. Shall we start now? Good. So, the first topic that you are going to see in grade 7 computer science is networking concept. Do you have any idea about the networking concept? Network. First, what is mean by network? Network is nothing but a group of computers that are connected together to share the informations. Okay, so a group of computers or associated devices that are connected by the communication facility is called network. It is an interconnected collection of autonomous computers. To share the information, to exchange the informations, we should need the network connection between the computers. Okay, so what is the need of having the network? What is the importance in that? So let me see the importance one by one. The first one is resource sharing. So what does mean by resource sharing? So through a network, data, software and hardware resources can be shared irrespective of the physical location of the resources and the user. Irrespective of physical location, that means wherever the computer may be. Okay, so apart from the distance, if the computers are connected with the network, it is easy to share the information. The next thing is reliability. So reliability, a file can have a more number of copies. So from wherever we can fetch that file. Then the reduced cost. So sharing of resources can be done at the reduced cost. The last one is fast communication. Information can be exchanged at a very fast speed. So these are the importance of the need of the networking. Okay, importance or need of the network. The next thing we are going to see the components of network, or it can be said as few terms related to the network. In this, the first thing is workstation or node. So what does mean by workstation or node? So in this picture you could see the computers. Okay, the computers or the node 1, node 2, node 3 and node 4 and node 5. These are called as workstation or the node. Okay, these computers are connected to a single computer. This is called the server computer. Okay, this is the master computer from where we fetch our informations, from where we get our resources or data, whatever it may be. So this is called the server computer and the remaining 5 is called the workstation or nodes. Okay, these are the terms that related to the networking. Okay, so the next one we are going to see is the types of network. See the types. There are 3 types of networks. The first one is local area network and metropolitan area network. The third one is wide area network. So these are the 3 types of network. Let me see this in detail. The first one, local area network. So what does mean by local area network? By the name itself you can easily understand. Local area network. So limited area. Limited to a geographic area is called the local. If the connection established in a few distance. For example, it is around 10 kilometer. Local area network works around 10 kilometers. The best example is our school campus, a building or a lab, whatever it may be. So in these areas we can establish the local area network. Okay, dear. So in this also there will be a workstation or nodes that are all connected to a server system. Okay. The next one is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. It's spread over a city. Okay, the same purpose of sharing the informations. The best example for that is the cable connection that you receive in your home for the television. Okay, so it may be from your nearby city or village. So it covers up to the range of 50 kilometer. Okay, dear. So this is the metropolitan area network. The next one is wide area network. So by the name itself we can easily understand wide area network. Wide, so it's a larger geographic areas. such as India, the United States, or the world. Okay, despite the distance, it can cover all the areas in wider. So this is capable of by the connection between the satellites or a transoceanic cabling. Okay, so these are the thing which we are going to know about the wide area network. It is connected through the public networks such as telephone lines, leased lines, or satellites. What's the best example of this? Internet. Internet is the best example of wide area network. I think you must know about the internet. Everyone will know about the internet. So whatever we have learned today, the first thing, network. What is meant by network and what is the need of network? Okay. The next thing, what are the components or the terms related to the network and types of network? Three types of network: local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. And each in detail we have seen. Okay. So now today's activity is define the network, write the types of network, and explain them. Okay, take a note and write neatly and do it. Okay, so meet you in the next class. Thank you.